Okay guys, I got a 2021 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to replace the engine filter. I'm going to link an engine filter in the description. That's a lot cheaper than what you would pay at a store or at a dealership. So the first thing you're going to do is take this latch off. There is a plastic piece on here that you have to pop off, but for some reason it's missing on this vehicle. Next, you pop this off, and then you're going to pull it out like that and lift it up, and that is your engine air filter. You just take it out and see what condition it's in. You can also clean it out, just blow with compressed air, or if it's really bad, replace it. This one doesn't look that bad. So you're just going to put it back in and make sure it is flush. And then when you put this in, make sure these two tabs go underneath, just like this. Push it down and then put that on, and then you're going to push this thing back on. I'm not sure where that one went, but yeah, just make sure it latches, and that's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Dealerships may charge about $50 to $100 to replace this. You can do it yourself for about $10 to $20. So it's definitely something to do. And I would recommend doing it about every 10 to 20,000 miles.